And Twitter has cracked down on Kangana Ranaut, who's often seen backing the Modi government on the platform. The microblogging site showed Kangana the rule book and not one but two of her tweets citing policy violations. One of the deleted tweets is the one where she replied to Team India's vice captain Rohit Sharma and allegedly equated farm law protesters to terrorists. She even took a Dhobi ka kutta jibe at the cricketer. Dhobi ka kutta, for our viewers, is a derogatory term used to signify somebody who does not have a stated position. The tweets are no longer available after Twitter cracked down. The social media giant defended the action, a statement saying tweets violated their policy. Twitter's action is coming a day after Kangana went into an overdrive over pop star Rihanna's post on the farmers' protests at Delhi borders. Priya Hangirani is now joining us live for the latest. Priya, this is exactly what we were talking about earlier. She's been a motor mouth. She's gotten very personal on Twitter, rather very disparaging on Twitter as well, calling the vice captain of the Indian cricket team a Dhobi ka kutta on Twitter, calling farmers terrorists. Twitter finally goes and does what it has to.
Absolutely, Chetty, and it's not only the vice captain or the farmers. Even she's even attacked Taapsee Pannu, calling her desperate and seeking for attention, and of course, more importantly, her Sasti copy. Up until now, we have seen that Kangana has been lashing out at people. She's made it extremely personal, but no one has really retaliated or given it back to her, other than, of course, Diljit Dosanjh, who she has not spared for the past 2 months. She has been even attacking Diljit over the farmers' protest since November. So, it's interesting to see how Kangana Ranaut has, in fact, gone out there, despite the fact that, Twitter has, in January, suspended her account temporarily, over the tweets. And now again, we can see that hasn't, kind of stopped her from going out there and lashing out at people, be it, making it personal and, of course, at the same time, touching on national issues.
I just want to take this across to Akshata Nandgopal, who's joining us live from the newsroom as well. Akshata, let's just break this down. There are two tweets that Twitter has taken down. Obviously, it has violated its community guidelines, and hence these tweets stand to be taken down. The one, of course, where she calls farmers terrorists, and the other one where she takes a personal jibe at Rohit Sharma, calling him Dhobi ka kutta. Akshata?
So these are the two tweets that have been pulled out by Twitter. The first one is the latest that's been put out by Kangana. Just a few hours back, that Twitter has removed, saying this tweet is no longer available because it violated the Twitter rules. We scrolled down her timeline to find that there was a second tweet that was in fact put out at least 5 to 4 hours back, which again was removed for the exact same reasons. Now, while we're still looking into the details of which these tweets are, safe to assume, because we've done a deep dive really into her timeline, both of these tweets have been removed because they do deal with the farmer protest. That much is safe to assume, because every single tweet that Kangana has been putting out for the last 24 odd hours has been on this issue. Now, while Twitter has also put out a statement saying that the reason they've done it is because of the rules that they have in place. Was this because it was too personal? Because we know Kangana has been responding to a lot of celebrities. Was it because, it was communal, or whether it was going ahead and attacking specific people? That we have to find out about exactly which part or which code of Twitter's did Kangana break in her tweets. But two tweets that have been removed, and she's been on a Twitter tirade really going on and on about the farmer protest. Both these tweets that have been removed have been done in a matter of few hours. If you see, this was put out about 4 hours back, and this was a few hours back. Both have been removed now by Twitter, and we're yet to, of course, get details about which exactly these tweets are. But as you mentioned, it looks like it is for the reference that Kangana has made about farmers being terrorists. That one has violated the Twitter code and has been removed. But Kangana hasn't reacted to this. Surprisingly enough, we would have thought that by now she would have put out a tweet responding to Twitter's action against her. So far, no reaction that's come in. And going by what we've seen on her timeline, it's clear that these two tweets had to do with the farmers' agitation.
So obviously these two have been removed right now. One is a personal jibe at Rohit Sharma calling him Dhovika Kutta, and the second one is where she has equated farmers allegedly to being terrorists. So these are in violation of Twitter's guidelines, and hence Twitter has taken these tweets down. Kangana still now has not responded to this particular move that is coming in from Twitter.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.